right, guys, we're going to pick up where we left off on comparing two numbers. Now, I want to start out by looking at two numbers. We're going to do something easy. We've got a 4 and a 7. Now, which one of these two numbers is larger? That's right, the 7 is larger. Y'all already know that, but the question is, how much larger is 7 than 4? Okay, so there's ways we can do this. Now, for some of you, you just know your math facts. So if 7 is the larger number, then we just need to subtract 4 away. And 7 minus 4 is what? 7 minus 4 is 3. So 7 is 3 more than 4. Let's look at a different one. Let's look at 5 and 9. Okay, what is the smaller number? The smaller number is 5. You know that if you had 5 cookies, that's not as many as if you had 9 cookies. Well, 5 is smaller, but how much smaller is 5 than 9? Another way to say that is, how many fewer is 5 than 9? Now, we did the subtraction technique. Those of you who liked number bonds, let's look at 9. Remember those fact families that we did? Well, we've got 9 and 5. What other number helps 5 to make up 9? If you had 9 and you took 5 away, how many would you have left? 5 and 4 make 9. Now remember, this is that number bond. It's been a while. We've had a break, and it's been a while since we've talked about number bonds. So we're going to do a few of these, okay? So 9 is bigger than 5. How much bigger is it? Well, 9 is 4 more than 5. Okay, let's look at another one. Okay, we've got some red bears and we've got some green bears. So how many red bears do we have? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6 red bears. And how many green bears are there? All right, you can do that one without counting. You've got 2 green. Now, how many fewer green bears are there than red bears? You can tell by looking at this that there are more red bears than there are green bears, aren't there? Let's line them up, and it might make things easier. Let's make a little bear line. Like they're, I don't know, waiting to go on a roller coaster. So you've got 6 red bears, and now we're going to put the green bears right in front of them, okay? So this makes it a little easier. It kind of makes a bar out of it, like we did the little blocks that snap together. So now we've got 6 red bears and 2 green bears. How many more red bears are there than green bears? It's going to be the same answer as if you said, how many fewer green bears are there than red bears? Okay, so this would be the same as red as green. How many more red are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. When you hear these, how many more than, or how many fewer than, or how much smaller than, when you hear this, you can use subtraction stories to, or a subtraction sentence to come up with your answer. We're going to do one more. Okay, so we've got blue bears now, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blue bears. Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3 green bears. So are there more blue bears or green bears? That's easy. You can look at that and see that there are more blue bears. But how many more? How many more blue bears are there than green bears? Watch this. boom, we're going to just subtract. It's like a huge subtraction sign. 6 minus 3 is what? How many? What you're doing is you're breaking this up into parts. There's 3 over here, but how many more are there? Let's take the 3 away because we know there are 3 over here. That makes things the same. But how many more are there? There's 1, 2, 3. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. There are 3 more blue bears than there are green bears. Or you can say there are 3 fewer green bears than there are blue bears. And you can look, if you need the number bond, if that helps you, then 6 can be divided up into a 3 and a 3.